Saul's Autotek, and today we're going to talk a little bit about Mitsubishi motor vehicles. Right now, we've got a 2009 Mitsubishi Lancer in service. It's got a check engine light on. It came in with a couple of minor concerns, and we're going to get a look and see what's going on with it. The reason we're talking with you about a Mitsubishi today is because these are a pretty unique vehicle. There's not a lot of them in the United States domestic market. They were made in Japan and were often a very sought-after vehicle in the U.S. domestic market. However, in the past decade, dealership sales have gone down substantially, and as a result, dealerships are closing. That means if you're in the Denver metro area, there are no Mitsubishi dealerships that are actually certified other than in Colorado Springs. So if you're here in South Denver or anywhere within a 100-mile radius, you have no option but to drive literally 100 miles to get your vehicle serviced. As a result, we're finding a lot of demand for Mitsubishi vehicles to get checked out, and we have people specifically asking on the phone every day, are you a Mitsubishi specialist? Can you service my Mitsubishi? The answer at Saul's Autotek is absolutely. We have a Mitsubishi certified technician on staff that was factory trained, and we have the ability to take these vehicles from a factory stage zero and keep them maintained and keep them running on the road for years to come, or we can talk to you about upgrades, modifications, or things you can do to get the most out of yours. We found a large following of owners that are interested in modifying their vehicles, whether it be for off-road use, for rally-type driving, or for high-speed racing circuit use. If you've got any interest or concerns about yours, or you just want to keep it on the road as long as you can, or you simply want to see some of the ones we work on, come and see us here at Saul's Autotek, 7 days a week at 303-919-7769 in Greenwood Village.